Hi, I'm Kenny Harrell. I'm the managing partner of the Joye Law Firm. And let's say you've been injured on the job and you're considering hiring our firm. And your question may be, all right, well, what happens after I hire the Joye Law Firm on my work comp case? A few things. First, you're going to get an introduction to your team. There's two primary team members that would be working on your case. Obviously, the attorney assigned to handle it and the case manager or paralegal. But there's a whole team behind them, whether it's medical records, setting up appointments, chasing delinquent checks. And then we go to work at that point really early on, just basically gathering all the evidence related to your case. Obviously, medical records come to mind, but that could also be your wages records. In a lot of these cases, there's an issue as to what your actual wages were, which is so important in a work comp case because your compensation rate basically dictates every single benefit that you would receive. Where things really start to get complicated, though, is when you're looking at resolving the case. It's not like a car wreck situation. Under our work comp laws, you could have the right to have future medical coverage that would be covered by the insurance company, but that's a really complicated process. The medical opinions have to be stated in a certain way, and the settlement agreement has to be worded in a certain way. Especially becomes important to get a lawyer. I would tell you every single time, if you think you may be disabled and not able to go back to work, you absolutely 100% have to have a lawyer. You can't pursue a disability case in South Carolina unless you have a report from a vocational consultant to the effect that you are totally disabled from any reasonably stable employment. That's something, of course, we would line up for you. Another really important aspect is protecting your future Social Security disability benefits. If you settle your case and don't put the right language in the agreement, you could void tens of thousands of dollars of future Social Security disability benefits, and your family and you certainly can't afford that. So there's a lot of moving parts, but we've been representing injured workers for almost 60 years. If you'd like to talk to us about your case, just give us a call, 888-324-3100. Just call Joye.